With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, let z is equal to 1 plus a iota be a complex number. Now where a is what? Greater than 0. Okay. Such that z cube is a real number. It means what? It means the imaginary part of z cube will be 0. Then the sum of what? 1 plus z square plus up to z11 is equal to what? Now see this thing. It is saying that z cube is a real number. So what we do, we need to find z cube. Okay. So z cube is equal to what? This will be 1 plus a iota cube. So this will be what? If I apply formula x plus y to the what? Cube is equal to what? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So this becomes what? A cube, that means what? I can say 1 cube, so this is what? 1 cube, and this what? A iota cube, that means what? This will be what? Minus of iota a cube, okay, plus 3 a iota 1 plus a iota is equal to what? 1 minus, and this will be what? 3 1 minus 3 a square. Why? Because this iota and iota square becomes what? Minus 1. So this is what? 1 minus 3 a square. Now again what I do is just take common iota. So sorry, just take plus iota common. Okay. So you get what? A cube. And here you get what? This is sorry, this will be minus, not plus. This is minus a cube, and here you get what? 3a. Okay. Now it is saying that it is a real number. That means what? The imaginary part, this part, should be 0. That means what I can say? That 3a minus a cube is equal to 0. Then take common what? A. So you get what? A into 3 minus a square is equal to 0. So there are 3 roots. That is what? A is equal to 0. And a is equal to what? Root 3. And a is equal to what? Minus root 3. But there is a condition. In question, it is saying that a greater than 0. That means what? These two values will be cancelled out. So the only, sorry, these two values actually. These two values will be cancelled out. So only values will left with what? A is equal to what? Root 3. Now z, we get what? Z is equal to 1 plus iota root 3. Now what you do here? Just multiply and divide by 1 by 2. So you get what? 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 iota. Now this thing can be written as what? This will be 2 into cos. Here how can we write? This thing can be written as what? Pi by 3 plus iota sine. This will be what? Pi by 3. Okay. And if I write it in Euler form, so this thing can be written as what? 2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. Now what we need to find? We need to find sum of this thing 1 plus z square up to z11. So basically we have summation s is equal to, assume 1 plus z square plus z cube up to z to the power what? 11. Now you can clearly see this is what? ZP, where r is what? Z upon 1, that is what? Z, and first term a is what? 1. Total number of terms is what? Here start with 1, 2, 3, 11, and there is one term also 1, that is equal to what? N is equal to 12. Okay. So S can be given as what? S is equal to A into 1 minus Rn upon, this will be what? 1 minus R. So basically this becomes what? A is what? 1. So this will be what? 1 minus. Now R is what? Z. That means what? Z to the power 12 upon, this will be what? 1 minus z. Okay. Now, you know z is equal to what? This will be z is equal to 2 into e to the power iota pi by 3. So z to the power 12 is equal to what? This will be 2 to the power 12 into e to the power iota pi by 3 into 12. Okay. So basically this becomes what? 2 to the power 12, and this is what? This will be e to the power iota. This will be 4 pi. And if I write it as 2 to the power 12 into, and this is the cos 4 pi. We know cos 4 pi is equal to 1 and sin 4 pi is equal to 0. So value of z to the power 12 is equal to what? 2 to the power 12, and this value of this thing is equal to what? 4096. Okay. Now see this thing. This is what? 1 minus 4096 upon, this will be what? 1 minus z. We know z is equal to what? 1 plus iota root 3. So this will be what? Minus of iota root 3. So this becomes what? Minus of 4095 upon, and this will be what? Minus of iota root 3. Now this minus can be written as what? Iota square. So write it as what? Iota square. Now this 1 iota to 1 iota will be cancelled out. So basically this thing and this thing will be cancelled out. And this 4095 can be written as what? This will be written as minus iota. Okay. This is 365 into root 3 upon root 3. So this root 3 and root 3 will be cancelled out. We get what? Minus of iota 365 root 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Now if I match the option, so we get option is what? Option 3, 365 root 3 iota. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.